marijuana garden.
Here's a fascinating look at the science and surprising facts about kissing. Kissing triggers a surge of neurotransmitters and hormones. Dopamine creates pleasure and craving, kind of like the feeling of addiction. Oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone, fosters attachment and trust, which is really crucial for long-term relationships. Serotonin elevates mood, a bit like the effects of some antidepressants. And cortisol, the stress hormone, actually decreases, promoting relaxation. Over 80% of people tilt their heads to the right when kissing. This subconscious preference may actually originate from head-turning biases observed even in infants. Close contact allows us to subconsciously assess a partner's immune system compatibility through pheromones and chemical cues in saliva. This is linked to the major histocompatibility complex, or MHC. We're often drawn to partners with different MHC genes, which can potentially lead to healthier offspring. A passionate kiss uses 34 facial muscles and 112 postural muscles. It's honestly a full face workout that can help tone facial muscles and even burn about 2 to 6 calories per minute. Deep kissing lowers cortisol, the stress hormone, and increases endorphins, which reduces anxiety and can even lower blood pressure. Only 46% of cultures engage in romantic or sexual kissing. Anthropologists have noted that it's actually absent in many hunter-gatherer societies, and it wasn't common in ancient Mesopotamia or Egypt. The earliest written evidence of kissing comes from 1500 BCE Vedic Sanskrit texts in India, describing it as inhaling each other's souls. In 16th century England, kissing was briefly banned by the church to prevent the spread of disease, especially during the plague. So let's talk about evolutionary theories for a moment. When it comes to mate assessment, saliva exchange actually provides biological clues about health, fertility, and well, even genetic compatibility. And then there's pair bonding. Oxytocin released during kissing really strengthens emotional connections, which is super important for raising vulnerable human infants. Oh, and here's something interesting for women. Studies suggest that men's saliva contains testosterone, which may increase women's libido over time. Now, about the deal-breaker effect, one study found that 59% of people, 66% of women, and 59% of men ended a budding relationship after a bad first kiss. This really supports the idea that kissing acts as a critical mate evaluation tool. Alright, here are some fun facts to wrap things up. The longest kiss ever recorded was by a Thai couple, who hold the Guinness World Record at 58 hours, 35 minutes, and 58 seconds. Wow, that's a long time. Did you know that a 10-second kiss transfers about 80 million bacteria between partners? The scientific study of kissing is called pheromonology, by the way. And get this, research shows that couples' heart rates and brain waves can actually synchronize during passionate kissing. Pretty amazing, right? Kissing is far more than a romantic gesture. It's a complex biological communication system, a stress reliever, and an evolutionary adaptation for bonding and mate selection. So next time you kiss, just remember, you're conducting a symphony of chemistry and evolution.